everyone, welcome back. If you're aiming to turn the complexity of the stock market into your next big win, you're in the perfect spot. Today, we're exploring the incredible potential of call options. This is not just about making investments, it's about making smart moves that can amplify your financial prowess. Whether you're a beginner or looking to hone your stock skills, stick around. Let's unlock the secrets together. A call option isn't just a financial term, it's your secret weapon in the investment battlefield. Think of it as a golden ticket, allowing you to buy an asset at a predetermined price within a set time frame. This isn't about being bound to buy, it's about having the option to buy when the price is right, leveraging your position to maximize gains while your risk is limited to the price paid for the option, the premium. It's smart investing made simple. You harness the power of market trends to secure profits while shielding yourself from bigger losses. Call options function on a straightforward yet profound principle. They give you the right to lock in a purchase price for an asset, betting on its price increase. You pay a premium for this potential, which is a small price for big flexibility. By understanding key components like strike price, premium, and expiration, you position yourself to make moves that can lead to substantial gains. It's about making educated guesses and turning them into profitable strategies. Using call options isn't just about betting on stock prices. It's about strategic foresight. Whether you opt for a long call to capitalize on market upswings or a short call to generate income or protect your portfolio, each strategy offers distinct advantages. The art lies in choosing your strategy based on your market outlook and investment goals. From speculative plays to hedging tactics, call options provide a flexible toolkit for navigating the financial markets with precision and confidence. The true value of call options is demonstrated in their versatility across various market scenarios. From speculating on stock price increases to managing portfolio risks, call options are pivotal. They allow investors to leverage market movements for higher returns and offer a safety net during downturns. By integrating call options into your investment strategies, you equip yourself with the tools to manage and enhance your financial portfolio actively. Embarking on mastering call options is about blending theory with practice. It starts with a solid grasp of fundamental principles and evolves into applying these insights to navigate real market conditions. This journey isn't just about achieving profitable trades, it includes developing robust risk management tactics to protect your investments. Continuous learning and staying attuned to market dynamics are crucial as you advance your skills and strategies at options trading. And for those diving deeper into investing, I give real-time trade alerts in my Patreon, and if you'd like to try my TradingView custom indicators, there's a free trial link in the description below. With that out of the way, let's go over an example. Let's break it down with a real example using ABC stock. Suppose you're bullish about ABC and it's trading at $8.13. A call option with a strike price of $7.50 expiring soon at $90 per contract or 90 cents per contract. If ABC hits $9 next month, exercising your option allows you to buy it at $7.50 and sell it at $9, netting a tidy profit. If not, the most you lose is the premium. This scenario highlights how strategic foresight, coupled with a clear understanding of options, can lead to significant financial advantages. And that's a wrap on demystifying call options. They're powerful tools that, when used correctly, can significantly enhance your investment strategy. If this video opens new doors for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Drop your questions or share your success stories in the comments below. Let's foster a community where we all grow and succeed. Until next time, happy investing.